How to rate your boat driver. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can rate your boat driver. Now, to rate your boat driver is not difficult. The first thing to do is to log in into your boat account, and then once you're on the home page, go ahead and select a destination and order a ride. After ordering a ride and then your driver arrives, you've gotten the ride and whatever, and you've got it to your destination. The next thing that you can do is that after you've got it to your destination, both will automatically send you a message to your email asking you how your experience was and asking you to rate your driver. All right, you will see the star ratings there. So they just go ahead and drop the ratings as well as leave a feedback on how accommodating or how bad your experience was. Just go ahead and fill it in. Just note that after you've gotten your order, that is after you've gotten your ride, both will send a means of rating the driver to you. So just look out for emails as such, and then fill out necessary details and you are good to go. So this is how you can rate your boat driver. Thanks for watching and have a good day.